second grade. Hope everybody is doing well. Last week we talked about colors and the color wheel. This week we're going to keep talking about colors, but we're going to talk about warm colors and cool colors. And those are our vocabulary terms for this week. When we look at the color wheel, we actually have warm colors which start at the red and go all the way across to the yellow. And then the cool colors are from the green all the way around to the purple. So if we take a look at this painting by Paul Cezanne, you will see a lot of warm colors in the buildings themselves. This whole painting is actually very, very warm. Even in the sky, it has a little bit of yellow to it. So we can see a lot of different warm colors here mixed together, reds and yellows and oranges, all mixed within the buildings. If we take a look at this painting of Niagara Falls, we see a lot of cool colors. So we see blues and greens and violets. So sometimes artists pick those colors to get the person looking at their painting to feel a different way. So today we're actually going to use a combination of both warm and cool colors in the same work of art. And you can either make a landscape today, which is a painting or a drawing of the land, or you could do a seascape today, which is a painting or a drawing of the ocean. So let's take a look at two student examples. This is both a landscape on the right and a seascape on the left, and you can see how both of these students used warm colors in their skies and cool colors on their land or on their sea. And that is what we're going to do today. Experiment with both the warm and the cool colors in the same picture. Okay, so you're going to need your crayons, your sketchbook, and a pencil, and meet me right back here. Okay, second grade, so you get to decide today which way you want to hold your paper. You can hold it horizontally like I am today or vertically. It is up to you. I'm going to hold mine horizontally, and I'm going to start off by making a horizon line, and that is the line that separates the ground or the water from the sky. You can make it straight, you can make it wiggly. Remember the student example we looked at with the big wave on the right-hand side? So you decide what that line looks like. Once I have that done, I'm then just going to break my space up. I'm going to do a landscape today. So I'm going to kind of make mine look like fields. So I'm going to do a whole bunch of different lines that kind of look like hills. And I'm thinking on each of these, I'll have a different type of plant growing on the different areas. And that gives me a lot of space too to add patterns and lines. Up in the sky, I am going to fill that up with lines that kind of remind me of the wind, kind of like Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night, and I'll put a picture of that up so you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to make a swirl, then maybe I'll make another swirl going this way, and another swirl going this way, and maybe one more. Ooh, I went right off my page going this way. All right, so now that I have my spaces broken up, I feel like I need one more right there, sorry. One more right there. Now that I have my two spaces broken up between sky and land, or if you're doing sky and sea, I'm gonna start to add color. Now, all the examples that we looked at today had warm skies and cool seas or land. I'm going to try to flip that. So I'm going to make a warm land and a cool sky. Okay, just so we can see it a little bit different. I'm gonna go get my crayons and speed up my video. Second grade, so here is my warm and cool landscape. In order to get a perfect score of a 3 on this assignment, you need to draw a landscape or a seascape. You need to use warm colors on either the top or the bottom, and then cool colors on whatever you didn't put the warm colors on. Your drawing should look totally different than mine. I don't want it to look just like this one. I like it when everybody's drawings look different. So please make sure you do your own individual thing. You can add trees, you can add a lighthouse, think of all the different stuff that you can add to make your drawing unique and special. I'm looking forward to seeing your work, and I will see you guys all next week. Have a great week.